I really wanted to sit down with the two of you first and hear all about Malika, from the women who matter the most to her.
Oh, Malika is like definitely in the Bridezilla category for sure. We've already had a sneak peek of that. You know, we went to Bombay last year for her trial. She was throwing tantrums left, right, and center, and I was like, I can't, if this is what you're going to be at the wedding, then count me out. When it comes to Malika, I have to say yes because that's what she wants.
So when we were chatting earlier, obviously it's emerged that this is the Malika show and she knows what she wants and she gets what she wants. Now the outfit that we are, hopefully I get to have some inputs on. It's for a mehendi or a dhol night, that's the function.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's gonna be like a day relaxed sort of event, and because it's in October, I want something like airy. So I ideally want to wear like an ivory or white with maybe like a bikini, fun bikini blouse.
Her blouses are always a bone of contention between the two of us because she's too experimental and I'm too traditional. So that's where we kind of have a conflict.
Maybe like an asymmetrical skirt sort of a vibe, because I will have mehndi on my feet. So I don't want the whole jhanjat of, the can getting stuck and all of that.
Malika would look nice in a sari because that's not something that she's wearing in other functions.
I'm very excited. I'm not going to lie, slightly nervous because I hope I can meet your expectations.
Oh, I have no doubts.
Overall, I'm quite excited because both of them have very varying briefs. Hi! How are you?
As I walk into the bridal studio, it finally has hit me that this is happening. And I'm here for my final outfit fitting for one of the events. And I couldn't be more excited.
Now, before we get into, of course, our trial, is there anything that's changed from the brief? Have you had any epiphanies or realizations since then?
So one, I tried on my wedding blouse yesterday, and that was a bit difficult to dance in. So I just hope that I can just move freely in this one. Secondly, I think I'm very safe with my option. I like my short sleeve, big neck, sort of typical lehengas. But with this, I decided to, go all experimental.
Okay, fab. Maybe we should get into our trials then, my love.
Let's do
Shall
it. I
we?
can't wait.
I really am very excited. I think we have a stunning lineup of clothes and I hope you like them as much as I do. I want to factor in a couple of the practicals. But maybe I should do that while showing you what I have in mind.
Hey.
It's right here.
Ooh, all white. I love it. Yes, it's a selling point for me. I don't know about mum. The textures are like more in your face.
Yeah.
And I really like that.
But I want to see you in it now and I want to see how you feel in it.
I can't wait.
Of course, I was low-key stressed that her mum is going to give me one jhap for putting her in all ivory. But at the same time, Malika did indicate that she loves the idea of all white. And I'm very clear that my priority is the bride's pick. If the bride likes a certain thing, I need to give that to her. Now, I just want to request, especially Mom, to keep an open mind.
Oh my God.
I'm very excited to see this.
I'm so nervous. Oh my God.
Damn. Oh my God.
This is what I love.
Oh,
I
what?
love.
What just happened here?
Her mother has turned around and loved it, which was a total shock for me. It's not something I expected.
Oh, I think my approval was a big shock. Since I was so sure it's not going to be white, and the minute I see her in white, I'm like, okay, this looks absolutely amazing on you.
So we're okay with this kind of...
I think the belt bit,
Yeah, maybe
there
the
can be
skirt
some
by
work
itself.
with some embroidery.
Sort of, I love it. Like, honestly, this is so cool.
Yeah.
Malika, are we saying yes to this dress?
Almost. My only concern is the skirt. One, because of I either want it high waist, so I can just like sit comfortably, not worry about like all of this. But also the can. Interesting.
I would love you to elaborate.
Would you like to go for some ice cream?
Please tell me, what is this ice cream reference?
So if we don't
We used
like
to have
any
this, yeah, when we were Truzo shopping.
guys,
Basically, we don't
like
want to be
with-
rude, right?
yeah.
So we like, you know,
Let's-
initially we're like, no, I don't like anything. So then we were like, okay, let's be polite about it.
Yeah.
Code word is ice cream. If anyone says ice cream, then you just step out.
Unfortunately, we had a let's go get ice cream moment when they saw her in this look. It was a little bit heartbreaking, but of course, I don't want to argue. If they're not vibing, they're not vibing. Okay, I want to know from the both of you, why don't you talk me through your reservations?
So I don't like the color. I don't like the, the collar bit. I'm not a collar person at all. I was not very happy with the jacket and the furs on it.
Tulika,
So I think the feathers are a bit witchy. It's a bit loud and chatak, each to their own, but not our taste at all.
Ooh, sari.
so how do you feel about it just preemptively?
I usually stay away from saris because I feel like, I'm just more comfortable in a lehenga, running around. But I mean, if not my event, then when? So I'm quite excited actually.
Let's
I like
see you in it
yeah,
then.
I
Come
like
on.
this.
Absolutely
Oh, I love it.
gorgeous. Absolutely
Yeah.
gorgeous.
Tulika, is this a yes for you?
It's a yes if she says yes. I love the outfit in general. I'm just wondering if it's bridal enough. So I think that's probably the only reason why I'm like, Yeah,
Please
it's a-
tell me,
it's a
Mummy,
bonus.
is this a yes from you?
I think so. I'm loving the color, I'm loving the look, and it's falling very well on her. And it's a color that I've always visualized her in. That was a wow moment for me. I looked at her and I was like, oh my God, this is what I want my daughter to wear.
So here comes the toughest part of my day, which is making this decision. I think the belt has really added to the whole look. Like I'm really liking this, yeah.
This is the aha moment then?
It is. And I don't think people are expecting this kind of a look from me.
Yeah.
But this is making me feel really like feminine and really flowy, like feel the bridal vibe. And this color is my color. I love this color.
Malika is now happy face. You guys see it too, right?
Yes, for sure.
I have to ask you the question. Are you saying yes to the dress?
Yes, I am.
Yes!